Morning, y'all. Time to start feeding these animals this morning, and prepare the meals, and I kind of do it a little systematically here. Since they're all housed together, I make it a point to give the pig his first. For obvious reasons, my pig is just that, he's a pig. And tries to play bully to the other animals, and he wants to eat their food. So I kind of trick him a little bit. I bring him his food first, and of course he'll allow the goats to get close to him. But Jack, my donkey, is afraid of him. I've never seen him do anything to Jack. It's just Jack's afraid of the pig. Kind of funny. But anyway, I prepared it, and I'm going to go ahead and bring Wilbert, the pig, his food first. Here we go. I don't know if you can see back there, but there's Jack. Yeah, Jack in the back, waiting for his. Watch out, watch out, watch out. That's my easy way of doing it. I use my little clippers. Now for my goats, Billy and Shadow, here's theirs. Of course, Mr. Piggy's going to come along in a minute. And I'll feed my chickens. Here they come running. They come running. All right, now we're going to get Jack and bring his. There he is over there, just waiting patiently. Well, there you have it, folks. Animals are fed. Jack's back there eating. We're with the pigs eating. Billy and Shadow, my goats, and all my chickens, ducks, and guineas are eating. And sometime later this morning, I'll go ahead and check for eggs, see what we got. Anyway, that was feeding time for the animals. You guys have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Y'all leave your comment.